welcome back to my channel. Today I am dyeing my hair purple for views. I'm just kidding. I'm just dyeing it purple and I'm really freaking nervous right now. I don't want to look like Barney. I don't want to look like a grape. I'm pretty nervous, guys. I'm pretty nervous. And I hear some weird stuff about purple, that it makes your hair green, so we're gonna be praying. No one likes green hair. I mean, maybe you do. Actually, scratch that. I'm so sorry. Maybe you like green hair. It just, I can't work it, okay? So we're hoping it's purple. If you want a more detailed kind of review about this product, I'm using the L'Oreal Colorista semi-permanent hair color, then you can watch my I dyed my hair pink video. It is up right here in the cards. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, somewhere up there. But yeah, we're just gonna get started. So it comes with this. I only bought one, which I'm kind of regretful about because last time it barely was enough for me, but this shit's expensive. It was like 12 bucks for this. Like, excuse me, this is L'Oreal, but whatever. So I got that, and then it comes with like a little brush, and it actually comes with gloves too, which is really good. Let's go for it. Okay, so I don't want to get this dirty. I'm just gonna wrap my towel around me. And this is the only way it's gonna stay up, so we're just gonna tie a ponytail around it. Perfect. Okay, roll up my sleeves. Here we go, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, please come out good. I also had a mental breakdown today, and I wish I filmed it because content, but next time I will. I got you guys. Alright, so you just kind of like, you don't have to mix it with anything at all. You just take it and like put it in a bowl. So I'm just going to put in a little. Oh my god, that's dark. Oh my god, that's dark. God, these gloves are huge. Oh my god. So now I'm going to fix the situation happening on my face and make sure everything is coated, and I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes and come back to you with the final look. Alright guys, so I washed it out and I curled it, and this is the final result. Wait, hold on one second. Just a little sparkle. Maybe this will help it out a little. Oh yeah. Way better. Way better. Okay, so this is the final result. Oh my god. Okay. This is, it feels so weird to have purple hair. Like, this is incredibly weird. I feel like a superhero or something. I'm not sure. Maybe a little bit like Barney. Maybe. I don't know. But I actually really like it. It's really cool. I do wish I got two though, and I said this last time, so I don't know what happened upstairs, but I do wish I got two of them. There's like some spots, I don't know if you could see, where it's like blonde still, like that didn't cover, but it's okay. And I don't know, there's something about it. Like, I've always wanted purple hair. It's just like weird seeing me with it. But I really like it, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like me doing weird shit with my hair, and I will definitely do more. Definitely subscribe down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Made this here with all the ice on in the booth at the